Altcoins are starting to show some signs of life, but we're still waiting for our first bit of confirmation across all these coins. But let's go over the recent bullishness in the market, tell you what that confirmation is, and also go over the Bitcoin dominance chart here and take a look at Ethereum, Solana, and XRP. So the first potential sign of life here on the Bitcoin dominance chart is we do have a lower high here, almost kind of a double top. Now, Bitcoin dominance could still go a little bit higher. It's holding this line of support that could send it to about 59.5% still, which is where the 12-week exponential moving average is. And that's about as high as I would expect the Bitcoin dominance chart to potentially go, because we have so much good progress being made on the ETF front for all of these altcoin ETFs. And now let's dive into Ethereum, Solana, and XRP. And the key running theme here is that all three of these coins are challenging their major zones of resistance. For Ethereum, it's this batch of key exponential moving averages that is now above after getting a bounce up above and holding this line of support here from our Fibonacci retracement tool, which is a good sign. Also on short-term timeframes, the 8-hour chart for Ethereum held the 200 exponential, and we're very close to getting a long signal on our Moxie indicator. Things are looking pretty damn good for ETH right now, so long as it can hold those levels and it gets a daily candle close above those key exponential moving averages, which is currently sitting at basically $4,300. We want to hold that today. And it's the exact same thing for Solana as it's working its way through and trying to get above and hold basically $217 as well, right? Right at the top of this 21-day exponential moving average. But Solana is also working its way through this general zone of resistance. We want to get above and turn this into support, which is the same thing that Bitcoin was able to do the other day. And it's the exact same thing for XRP. XRP is working its way through this general zone of resistance as marked by all of the key exponential moving averages. And if it can get above that and turn basically $2.95 here into support, this could act as a blast-off trampoline zone for XRP as well. So there are some signs of life here for altcoins, but we are looking for those confirmations before potentially deploying, much larger sums of capital. I myself have been buying Bitcoin and Solana every single day, and I'm looking to load up on more Morpho, Syrup, some more Ethereum, some more Solana, and probably some more Pengu as well. Those are the things I'm looking to invest in personally myself. But it does look like that Bitcoin is kind of taking these altcoins and grabbing it with it as it tends to do. I'm not expecting big moves for altcoins though, until Bitcoin gets closer into price discovery mode, if it's able to do so, meaning that it's getting close to new all-time highs or is making new all-time highs. That is the update for the day for altcoins. Hope you have a great rest of your day. Do good things. Be good people. Make a bunch of money.